What is up, guys? It's Got One Never Hedge back for another Cloverhealth update, and we are sitting in the pre-market right now, up a couple of pennies, up 9 cents so far in the pre-market. We got a couple minutes till market open. It looks like we have arrested the downward slide right now, and we seem to be on a little bit of an uptick, trading above that 50 EMA to end the day yesterday, and we are just over it right now. Let's go down to the RSI is very strong at 58.37. MACDs are pretty flat right now. I wanted to take a peek at the options data for this while we're waiting for the markets to open. And the $9 calls, I do like them for this week. I think we can get back up to $9. 31,000 savages on the $9 calls this week. 9,500 on the $10, which I think is a little bit of a stretch for those options closing in 2 days. I don't know. $9 are looking good. $8 definitely, but you're probably going to have to pay a pretty penny for those. And I wanted to go down to the put to call open interest ratio. We're sitting at 0.2 puts to calls, which is awesome. That is very strong. Calls are sitting at 84,500. Puts are at 17,200. And then I want to go over to the Ortex data. There has not been much of a change on this since the last video, but we're sitting at 33% free float on loan. Still many shares on loan at 37.11, and the utilization rate is at a staggering 81.2. Still got that $9.33 price target from Ortex, and we do have 2 sell alerts and 1 hold analysis, so not ideal, but I'm not worried about that. Who cares what the fucking analysts have to say? And I want to go over to the dark pool. The dark pool. So the short positions are still negative 1.4 billion on this, which is mind-boggling. Net short volume is negative 35.79 million, and we have quite a bit of net short volume and position volume here. So they are really hammering this one, guys. Going to take a quick peek at the short interest on Fintel. That short squeeze score continues to drop, as I think more volume is coming in on the dark pool. So the short shares availability has decreased a little bit. We were sitting around 3.8 million, 4.1 million. Now we are down to 2.7. That's still not a huge, and that short borrow fee rate continues to drop down to only 1.16%, down from 1.25 and then 1.64 before that. There are a couple of stories I wanted to get to on this. Short interest alone should keep you interested in Cloverhealth. Make no mistake about it, Redditors are in control when it comes to Clov stock. By all measures, Cloverhealth is having a rough time. Shares have lost nearly 32% of their value in the past month, and as retail investors on Reddit have set their sights on other targets, is now the right time to bail on Clov stock. If you've been following the mania this year, there's no way you want to leave this one. Clover has a short interest of 27.8%, which now it is up to 32.01%. Opinions vary, but short interest above 20% is exceptionally high. This metric matters a lot if you are in the world of Reddit investing. Generally, extremely high short interest shows that investors are very pessimistic about a particular stock, but not in every case. Reddit's Wall Street Bets has repeatedly led targeted buying campaigns in a handful of heavily shorted stocks. They've churned out viral stock memes and regularly generated massive short squeeze. In this context, it does not matter what the financials say. Even if the company is a non-starter, Reddit traders will still pile on, sending the stock to the moon. But when you look at Cloverhealth, it's also not all doom and gloom. In fact, there are several areas where its product and services can contribute heavily, yet at a market cap of $3.36 billion. Today, that potential is already priced in. All right, fuck this guy. This one is more important. Number 1 Clovetard by Nico. I do not have Webull, so I'm going to have to take this guy's word for it. But if you have Webull, go on the app, search Clov, and go under analysis, you will see that 1.88% of holders are in the positive, with institutions holding 104 million shares and retail investors like us holding 24 million shares. This should give you some hope. No one is selling. No fucking way institutions and retail investors are selling at these prices when average entry is $18.10. First of all, this isn't a failing company. There's no reason to short this. Second, no one is selling besides paper hands, and that's not many people. Clearly, people are holding in the negative. Third, all we need is some freaking volume, and this bitch is going to fly. Do not sell. Hodl. I was down 80% on AMC and cashed out over 700%. I put all my money into Clove. I'm in 140K, down over 50K. Not a bit worried. Just here to encourage you fellow Clove tards to hold and be patient. Buy the dips. Yes, Clove is extremely oversold and shorted. Buy and hold for free Lambo. Exactly. All right, guys. Couple of minutes till market open. Up a couple more pennies on this. We are going to end it there. So as always, guys, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Clove, all you Clove tards, as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.